good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 21 from verse 34 to verse 38. Watch and pray. Watch out and not spend the whole of the time on your man drink and a fret about life. Our daddy there I go creep up and catch you like one trap. It a go come pan all we live on the earth. Always a watch. Pray say we can get away from all our gap. And pray say we can turn up in front of the man where God pick. Every day, Jesus teach in the yard where God house there. And at night time, him go up on Mount Olive. All of the people them get up early morning time if you can listen Jesus at God house. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God